In the quiet village of Chandipur lived an old water-bearer named Moti. Every morning he carried 2 clay pots tied to a long wooden pole across his shoulders. He walked nearly 2 kilometers to the river, filled both pots, and returned to the village to deliver water to the families who needed it. One of the pots was perfectly shaped, smooth, strong, and flawless. The other pot had a small crack on its side. Because of the crack, water dripped out slowly during the long walk home. By the time Moti reached the village, the cracked pot was only half full, while the perfect pot proudly delivered its full amount. The cracked pot felt ashamed. One evening, after Moti finished his deliveries, the cracked pot whispered softly, "Moti Baba, I am sorry." Moti looked at it in surprise. "Why, little one?" "I am useless," the pot said sadly. "I fail you every day. You fill me completely. Yet I only bring back half. The other pot is better, strong, perfect. I wish I were like him." Moti smiled gently. "Come, tomorrow I will show you something." The next morning, he filled both pots as usual and began walking back along the dusty path. Halfway home, Moti stopped and pointed at the ground along the right side of the road, where the cracked pot always hung. "Look carefully," he said. The cracked pot looked down and gasped. The ground was lined with beautiful flowers, blue, yellow, and white, growing in a long, colorful trail. "Do you see them?" Moti asked. "Yes," the pot whispered. "They're beautiful." "They grew because of you," Moti said softly. "I knew about your crack from the very beginning, so I planted flower seeds along your side of the path. Every day, the water you lost helped them grow. Because of you, I take fresh flowers to the temple and to the villagers. You brought beauty where there was once only dry soil." The pot was speechless. "You think your flaw makes you weak," Moti continued, placing a hand on it. "But it is your flaw that allows you to give something unique to the world. Without you, this road would still be barren." Tears formed in the pot's eyes, if clay pots could cry. "I wanted to be perfect," it said softly. "You already are," Moti smiled. "Perfectly special." From that day on, the cracked pot no longer felt ashamed. It realized that everyone has imperfections, but those imperfections can lead to unexpected gifts if used with purpose and love. Every morning, as it dripped water onto the dry soil, the pot did so proudly, knowing it was helping life bloom along the path.